Hello everyone, I'll show you oil cooler from BMW 520D 2011 diesel. This is the oil cooler place. You can take out right on top under the rocket cover gasket, intake manifold. You don't need to take out any of this. Only you need to take out 6 bolt 10mm bolt on the side of the oil cooler. Then you can access oil cooler out completely. I'll take out this oil cooler because engine oil cooler because oil leaking, and you can see the two pipe going to gearbox oil cooler, that too. They have a separate oil cooler for the gearbox and separate oil cooler for the engine. I'm gonna show you oil cooler as well. This is the oil cooler on the floor. This is the filter housing. This is the engine oil cooler, and the top one is gearbox oil cooler. You see two tiny small pipe is going into there. Anyway, this is all thing you have to take it off, and that's going back there like this, tied with the 2 screw on top. But I send the guy to buy new one because this one it was loose. And second thing is they have a little valve like a oil temperature. It's like a little thermostat. Is going into there. When I take out, this is the broken. It's very easy broken. I don't know, it's a melted with the hot oil and burning, something like that. Only little plastic one, and they go another valve going on top like this. Anyway, thank you for watching. Good luck.